Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Malik, aka Short Horror 123, and today we're gonna check out a short horror film called The Clown, and this is uploaded by Jiya Kumar Films. A boy wandering alone in the forest is drawn towards the sounds coming from an old abandoned building. Are the sounds real, or are they a trick to lure him in? So, grab your snacks, grab your drinks, and let's do this.
I like the quality. Quality looks really good already. Yeah, I'm turning around. I'm not going in there. It's dusty in there too. Why are you running like that? Oh, this dude is off. I don't know what to give that, honestly. The quality of everything looked super good, but I think it would have been way better if they actually used the real sound from them recording, like the quietness of the building, the creaks and the steps on the floor as the boy was moving around the abandoned building. And the clown probably making some like noises in the background, something more sinister and eerie, besides instead of just the whole the audio in the background just playing the creepy, ambiance. I give it a 6. I give it a 6 out of 10. Now, if you are scared of clowns, have a deathly fear of clowns, then yeah, this is probably 10 out of 10 scary for you. But I've never really been scared of clowns, so that was more like a slasher horror to me. You know, 6 out of 10. But I hope you guys enjoyed the film. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, peace.